Dear students, welcome to School of Finance and Commerce, Galgotias University. Today I will going to discuss the subject Environment Science. The course code of this subject is BBAF 1001. So the topic which I would be discussing from this subject is food web and ecological pyramids. So this is the topic of Unit 2. Yes, before started discussing this topic, you should have the basic understanding of the living and non-living components in the environment. You should be able to differentiate between both of them. You should also have the basic understanding of the human life cycle. So these are the prerequisites to discuss or to start discussing this topic. Now the objectives of this lecture are, this lecture will actually help you to understand the meaning and concept of food web. So by going through this lecture you would be able to know, or you will be able to understand the concept of food web. You will also get to know about the various kinds of food webs and the ecological pyramids with the help of this lecture. Now these would be the contents of this presentation. Initially I will start with the meaning of food web. Then I would be discussing the types of food webs. So basically I would be discussing these two types, that is terrestrial food web and aquatic food web. Then after that I will discuss about the meaning of ecological pyramids, and then I will discuss the types of ecological pyramid, the three types. So now let us start with the very basic thing, that is what is food web, the basic understanding or meaning of food web. So a food web can be defined as the natural interconnection of several food chains, and generally a graphical representation, or we can sometimes also say that it is an of image of what eats what in an ecological community. So an individual is being consumed or eaten by another individual. When we show this with the help of graphical representation or with the help of image, it is commonly known as food web. So this is the basic meaning, or I should say the definition of food web. Now you can see the image of this food web. Various number of food cycles or food chains, they are being shown in this. Therefore we call it as food web. You can see in this food web there are various plants, they are being eaten by various herbivores animals, plant eating animals or insects, and then they are being eaten by the other consumers or other animals, and then those other animals are being eaten by other animals which are omnivores or flesh eating animals. So this is the entire food web. This is the graphical representation of several food chains. Now the types of food webs. So as I told you earlier, there are two types of food webs. Number one is terrestrial food web, and number two is aquatic food web. So the terrestrial food web means it is the interlocking of various food chains in a terrestrial land. Similarly, aquatic food web means it is the interlocking of various food chains in the pond, or we can say that in the water body. Yes, these are several types of food webs. it basically starts from primary producers. They are being eaten by or consumed by the primary consumers, and then those primary consumers are being consumed by the secondary consumers. Then those secondary consumers, they are being eaten by the tertiary consumers, and then those tertiary consumers, they are being consumed by the quaternary consumers. So these are the types of food chain. They are shown in this food web. There are two food chains which are being shown here in this image. One is terrestrial food chain and another is marine food chain. Now let us discuss something about ecological pyramids. So the definition of ecological pyramids say that an ecological pyramid is defined as the graphical representation showing the relationship between the various trophic level of a community. So there are three types of ecological pyramids, as I told you earlier also. Number one is pyramid of numbers, then number two pyramid of biomass, and then third type of ecological pyramid is pyramid of energy. So now we would be discussing all these three ecological pyramids one by one in the upcoming few slides. Yes, this is the graphical representation or the image of ecological pyramid. In this we can say that there are various stages or various steps in which the producers or several consumers, they are being shown how one type of organism or one type of individual is dependent on other individual for their food and for their livelihood. Yes, the first type of ecological pyramid is pyramid of numbers. The pyramid of numbers, it shows the relationship in terms of number of producers, herbivores and carnivores at their successive trophic levels. So there are two types of pyramid of numbers. So these ecological pyramid of numbers, they are further categorized or they are further subdivided into two categories. Now we would be discussing both these categories one by one. Yes, these are the two categories of pyramid of numbers. Number one is upright pyramid of numbers. So it is found in the aquatic and grassland ecosystem. In these ecosystems, there are many small autotrophs which support lesser herbivores, which in turn support the smaller number of carnivores. So the pyramid is upright, therefore we call it as upright pyramid. Now the second type of pyramid is the inverted pyramid of number. It is seen in the parasitic food chain, where one primary producer supports many, or we can say numerous, parasitic or parasites, which then supports more hyperparasites. Therefore it is known as the inverted pyramid of number. Now you can see both these pyramids, upright pyramid and inverted pyramid, in this image. So whatever I had discussed in the theoretical concept is being shown with the help of this image. So in this case of upright pyramid, at the very bottom or at the very first stage, there are very n number of producers, so many producers. Then the number slowly decreases as we are moving towards the other consumers, the number decreases. But in case of inverted pyramid, it is just opposite to the upright pyramid. In this there are single producer and so many consumers, they are dependent on that single producer, and then there are more number of producers, they are depending on those other consumers. So this is inverted pyramid. So these are the both pyramids, upright pyramid and inverted pyramid. Now the second type of ecological pyramid is pyramid of biomass. So biomass can be defined as the total weight of dry matter or fixed energy present in the ecosystem at any one time. In this pyramid, there is a gradual decrease in the biomass from the producers to the higher trophic level. So the number gets decreased. So there are again two types of pyramid of biomass. So let us discuss them one by one. Okay, the first pyramid of biomass is upright pyramid. Upright pyramid, it is seen in forest ecosystem as there is generally gradual decrease in biomass of organism at successive levels from the producers to the top carnivores. Now the second is inverted pyramid of biomass. This is found in the aquatic ecosystem. Here the smaller weight of producers support consumers of large weights. So these are the two types of pyramids of biomass. Now you can see both these pyramids of biomass with the help of this image. Upright pyramid as well as inverted pyramid. So this upright pyramid is present in the grassland ecosystem, while the inverted pyramid is present in the aquatic ecosystem. So these are both the pyramids of biomass. Now the third type of ecological pyramid is the pyramid of energy. So the energy pyramid describes the complete nature of the ecosystem. An upright pyramid will always be formed if the rate of energy utilized by different level is diagrammatically represented. Now there is always gradual decrease in the energy content at successive trophic levels from the producers to various consumers. At each trophic level there is a successive loss of energy in the form of heat and respiration. So this is the diagrammatic representation of pyramid of energies. As I told you about this, that there would always be an upright pyramid in case of pyramid of energy. So this is the diagrammatic representation of pyramid of energy. Now these are the self-assessment questions which are being taken from the text which we have discussed up till now in this presentation. So the very first question is, what do you understand by the food web? Then the second question is, differentiate between terrestrial and aquatic food web. Then question number 3 is, explain briefly the ecological pyramids. And then the last question number 4 is, discuss in detail all the three types of ecological pyramids. So you will get the answers of all these 4 questions in this text only. Now these are the references from which the material to discuss in these PPTs have been taken from. Thank you so much for your patience listening. Now if any of the thing is not clear to any one of you, you are free to contact me at any point of time. Thank you so much once again.